Here's Nicholas going crazy.
I've been trying to do this for years, but it won't work.
I landed on my spit. What the heck? What the heck?
Hello? Sorry. Wrong number.
You call someone?
Yes.
You caused the crown to call someone.
Did you seriously call someone?
The ground did.
What?
Why is this so out of focus?
Not what?
No, homo.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Ow. Why is this so out of focus? What the heck? What obstacle course?
We'll show you. Come on. Okay. See? You grab this thing, see?
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Wait, what?
I'm not doing that.
Oh, you're not gonna do it. We're gonna do
That's
it.
what Nicholas does.
Amy.
You might want to take that.
Amy, watch me. Watch me.
I don't want to do that.
Like we did before. Amy, watch me. Oh,
This is so out of focus for some reason.
Amy.
Oh, you're stupid. Wuss. It says Billy Ray Cyrus. Nicholas loves Bob Saget.
No, I don't. What are you talking about? You're in your room and you kiss every day, dude. I see. I saw it before.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blake? Blake?
What?
You seem awfully close to Billy Ray Cyrus. Would you let him knock down your barnyard doors?
Oh, okay. Come on. Let's follow us. I knew you were going to do that.
Boy.
Amy! Hey, look at him. Amy!
Do this.
Amy! Point the camera at him. Alright. I can hear you, too. When I go over there, it's going to fall down.
Okay.
When I get over there, then you walk. Alright, Amy, watch this.
You know what?
Take number 2.
I don't want to take 2. I feel like some kind of pervert looking at little boys' butts. But no, that's so not me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Make a face. I don't care. No, do not start that. Do not start that. Don't start that. Hey.
We never did this. Nicholas, get on. Oh my God. Too late. You're not on.
I'm gonna end this video here and start a new one where it's not like all out of focus.